Hello, my name is Aiden Talavera, and I'm going to be going over the thyroid mechanism of action. The thyroid gland lies below the Adam's apple and secretes both thyroid hormone and calcitonin. The thyroid hormone increases basal metabolic rate, maintains both blood pressure and body temperature, and burns fat. The thyroid hormone requires iodine, which is absorbed in the stomach as iodide with a D, and then it enters the bloodstream and is taken to the thyroid gland so that it can make triiodothyronine, T3, and thyroxine, T4. T3 is made up of 3 iodine molecules, while T4 is made of 4 iodine molecules, hence their name T3 and T4. And together they make up the thyroid hormone. The thyroid hormones, as well as the steroid hormones, enter cells with the help of carrier proteins. The cell membrane of the cell has a phospholipid bilayer with polar hydrophilic heads facing outward and nonpolar hydrophobic tails facing inward. Like steroid hormones, when thyroid hormone reaches the cell, they are lipophilic and easily enter the cell. When the hormones travel through the membrane, T4 converts into T3, and once inside the cell, the hormone can bind to an intracellular receptor in the cytoplasm, the mitochondria, or in the nucleus. When T3 binds to an intracellular receptor in the cytoplasm, it does so for the purpose of storage in case the thyroid levels of the cell drop. When T3 binds to the intracellular receptor on the mitochondria, it increases the rate at which glycolysis occurs, and glycolysis is a breakdown of glucose for ATP. When T3 binds to the intracellular receptors in the nucleus, it binds to the hormone response elements of the DNA. The binding of T3 to the nucleus leads to transcription, which is the conversion of DNA to messenger RNA. It basically makes a copy of the DNA so that it can be able to leave the nucleus and carry the information to the cytoplasm, where proteins and enzymes can be formed. Once messenger RNA is in the cytoplasm, translation occurs, which is the formation of a linear chain of amino acids using the information from the messenger RNA strand, and the polypeptide chains become proteins. The effect of the thyroid hormone on the mitochondria increases the metabolic rate of the cell and is called the calorigenic effect. It results in heat being generated, increasing body temperature, and also increases our metabolism. The calorigenic effect also stimulates the production of an enzyme called the sodium-potassium ATP ACE pump, which carries 3 sodium ions out of the cell and 2 potassium ions into the cell through active transport and restores the ion concentration gradient. Well, that was my brief explanation on the thyroid mechanism of action. Thanks for watching.